We will see how to add grid lines at an unequal distance, how to insert and delete grid lines. Let us place grid lines at unequal distances. Open the Grid dialog box by clicking the RCC CAD tab and Grid tool respectively. Suppose we have 5 grid lines in the east-west direction. Select non-uniform distance. In the table, write down the distances. The distances are 3,250, 3,500, 3,650 and 3,150. As there are 5 grid lines, we have 4 pairs. All distances are in millimeters. In the north-south direction, let us have 6 grid lines at 3,500 millimeters. Click OK button to place the grid lines. Observe these lines in the graphics window and check a few distances. Now, we will see how to add or delete the grid lines. Open the box by pressing the Enter key. Click Delete button. Delete the grid line by clicking over it. Press Enter key to open the Grid Manager box. Click the Insert button and select the grid line. Name the new grid line as 7 and distance equal to 3,500 mm. The negative distance puts the grid line towards the left side of the vertical line. Hit the OK button to add the grid line. This time let us select a horizontal line. Name the line as F and let the distance be -1000 mm. Click OK button to add the grid line. In this way, we can add and delete the grid lines.